This is Nick Sharp with Reets Drying Academy, and we have another quick tip for you. So there's so much technology out there, and it's great. But you know what? Sometimes we lack in our training for our estimators. We send our technicians to WRT, great. And we might even send an estimator to get their certification, Cert 1 with Xactimate. Where do we go from there? Is it Cert 2? Maybe. Cert 3? Do you really need that? Some say yes, some say no. Well, what can we really do? Well, after you're getting your certification for a technician, where do you send them? ASD. It's the application that's important. Same thing for your estimator. How do you actually make an estimate? They don't teach you that in a certification course. So we have to figure that out. What do we actually need? The photos, the justification. What do I need from a tech to get to my estimator to make a solid estimate? And then that third step is going to be training your estimator how to price and negotiate an estimate properly. So what do they need for that information? So all of these things are really important. Getting your Cert 1, that's awesome. It's great. But you got to go further than that. So we encourage you to look up this additional training for your estimator, just like you would for your technician.